the views of anyone. However, the events and suggestions that appear on this album are not.
Hurry, step right up. It's showtime. So without further ado. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they know they live. Just a bunch of generation, motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk, but they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they know they live. Just a bunch of generation, motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. What do you say to somebody you hate? Everyone trying to break some of your way. What if it's all things in the blood of your way? Just study your tape, bend up your way. One day I was walking by with a Walkman on. When I called a guy, give me an awkward eye. She looked straight to the mark in the parking lot, but it's dark and I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. I'm harder than me trying to park and dodge, but I'm drunk as fuck. Right next to a humongous truck in a two-car garage. Hopping out with two broken legs, trying to walk it off. Fuck you too, bitch, call the cops. I'ma kill you and them loud-ass motherfucking barking dogs. And when the cops came through, me and Dre stood next to a burned-down house with a can full of gas and a handful of matches, and still weren't found out. Right here, so from here on out, it's the Chronic 2. Starting the day, and tomorrow's the news. And I'm still local enough to choke you to death with a Charleston Chew. Chicka, 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 Slim Shady. Hotter than a set of twin babies. And a Mercedes Benz with the windows up when the temp goes up to the mid-80s. Calling men ladies. Sorry, Doc, but I've been crazy. There's no way that you can save me. It's okay, go with him, Haley. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.